Thank you very much, Llywydd. And I didn't end following that, I have to say, but one who preaches on Sunday in nonconformist chapels. I was also going to pay tribute to Williams Pantycelyn from Llandyfri in Carmarthenshire, one of our main hymn writers. He was born 300 years ago to this coming Saturday. One of the leaders of the Methodist revival in Wales. He wrote some 820 Welsh hymns. The vast majority of the population were monolingually Welsh-speaking, and some 120 English hymns, Bread of Heaven and Come Rhongdda being among the most popular. And, of course, that will be cried out in the Principality Stadium on Saturday. Now, the whole host of wonderful poetry exists within his Welsh hymns, such as Iesu, Iesu, rwy ti'n ddigon, rwy ti'n llawer mwy na'r byd. We will have all learned that in Sunday school and another, Per Erinwyd, Mynaniel Dir, and Crwydro yma thraw. And the wonderful, when you are concerned about something or feeling a little depressed, mi daflau maich o'r ddiarf yng ngwrar wrth deimro dwyfol loes, siriogrwydd fel mynyddoedd byd drwy ganu wrth dy groes. So this Saturday, whilst we do sing out Teyrn Wlad fy nhadau, Calon Lan, and, yes, Bread of Heaven, as we drive our rugby heroes forward to a deserved victory over visitors from the other side of Offa's Dyke, do recall the anniversary of William Williams Pantycelyn.